Okay, the story behind Roar is simply quite interesting idea that the moped or Vespa basically makes a little tinsy wincy sound like a little what we used to call a bee in a tin can. And I was just thinking, what would impress or improve on this kind of noise that the bike made when it was driving around the city. And the one thing I thought of was if it had an enormous creature on it that would actually make a roar sound of a bike travelling through the city. So the idea was having this Bengal tiger enjoying his ride around the city on his little moped, making this roar as he went around the city, and obviously improved on the actual fact that the bike basically didn't make much of a noise in the first place, and so it actually made his status a little bit stronger, and that's what the idea was.